Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the system fit in a Land Rover Discovery 2 and this is the generation between 1999 up to 2004 and this car is 2003 Discovery 2. To be more specific, it is a turbo diesel TD5 and manual gearbox. So you are looking at the car, a very special car with dual electric seat and Italian leather setup over here, and also it comes with the 10-inch HEADUNIT touchscreen, and it has currently have the it has Apple Carplay and Android Auto running, and the car also come with the what we call the butterfly reverse camera as well. So from the driver's seat you can see that the 10-inch system give a bit of blockage to the air vent. I can say quite minimum, just a little bit on the side, and the same thing a little bit on the side and a little bit at the bottom. But from the driver's seat we can still see what is in the air conditioner control here. So for me as a driver here in the past, I'm so happy with this. But someone else might not go for this side, someone else might just go for 7-inch or 9-inch, which is smaller, but this one is 10-inch. Or you might even see this side as some seller, they might advertise it as 10.2-inch, okay? But we call this one 10-inch, make it easy, 10-inch. Now this one has touchscreen, it has radios, FM AM, it has GPS system built in, and it has USB port, which in this case we can easily hang it underneath here, but we can easily move the USB port around if you want. And also the car come installed with the setup of the 8-button steering wheel control for the head unit. So actually when we press the steering control button over here, that head unit respond well, wireless control 8-button. And the reverse camera is fit at the back end, so it actually will have to see the turbo on the screen. So you can see that when reverse it will have to see the turbo. It's quite handy when you reverse and with the trailer or something at the back end, and it respond very quickly to the system and go back to what it is. And here is the Android Auto screen, which you can easily access all the software as normal. And just have a look around. People normally say fitting like this is so different, and some might not like it, but we have a lot of people, we have many happy customers to go with the similar style like this. So this is one clear and detailed review that to help you understand how this one is fit side by side looking and top looking. And you can see that from the front look, direct look like this, it definitely looks good. It looks good. And we have had a few Discovery 2 customer with this fitment like this before in Sydney area, but we didn't do any video up to now. So here we go. Even though we don't have the Apple CarPlay show on the screen now because the iPhone is still not back in hands, but you can see how the Android Auto works very easy and nicely on this one. And yes, that's what we do. And if you have the Discovery 2 and you want to go bigger than the traditional sliding 7-inch, then just go for the system like this, and yeah, we can do the installation in Sydney, or we also have the partner to do it in Adelaide and in Melbourne, in Brisbane. Yep. So just have a talk or an email, and we will go for the best. Thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one. You see that we have more video to compare this car to the Discovery 3 in the front, and yep, there's some different video to compare between those two cars. So click at the bike link, the link at the end of the video, and you can see more of the comparison video between those two cars. Thank you, and see you then.